got me some Labubu mystery ball and some Sonny Angel. So let's open them up.
Oh, this feels a little bit weird.
This is the Sonny Angel one, and let's prepare to be disappointed, okay? Oh my freaking god! I'm legit disappointed. This has been Exhibit A and B. Fully disappointed. Alright, so here you guys are. Here it is. I feel it in my hand. Okay, I'm gonna look at it. Oh! Oh! What? Okay, here it is. These are some very fake Labubu and Sonny Angel, so yeah, too good to be true, but got what I paid for, I suppose.